These slippers are witness to the devastation and disaster that unfolded in Hathras yesterday around 2 p.m. If you look at the slipper, number one, the blue one, possibly the child wearing this was 1 or 2 year old. The yellow slipper out here would be of a child of 4 to 5 years old, and this belongs to a woman who was possibly part of the family or not. Whether they have been, struck by that disaster that unfolded yesterday in Hathras, in Sikandra Rao area of Hathras, in this particular site, which stood witness to that disaster, which took life of 121 followers of a self-styled godman who calls himself Narayan Sakar Hari, alias Bhole Baba, or this Satyapal, a former UP police official who turned into a self-styled godman, stays away from social media. He was organizing this satsang out here. The permission that was granted to him was of 80,000 people. And if you look at the entire venue, this venue is incapable of even holding 80,000 capacity. There's no capacity building here to hold 80,000 people, let alone 2.5 lakh followers of this so-called godman, Narayan Sakar Hari. And this entire stretch actually stood witness to mayhem, devastation of people who were helpless in the wake of the disaster stampede that unfolded. But many of the people, stood to that occasion, and one of them was Vijay Pratap Singh, a local whose under construction house is a few meters away right at that particular spot in the venue. And Vijay Pratap Singh was one of the respondents to the occasion yesterday when the stampede happened. Vijay ji, पहले हमें बताएं कि कल 2 बजे के आसपास यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था और उस वक्त आप क्या कर रहे थे?
मैं हमारे मित्र का मकान है, मैं वहाँ बैठा हुआ था और बैठने के बाद जैसे ही बाबा का काफिला उधर से निकल के आ रहा था, इधर से चीख पुकार एकदम से होने लगी। जैसे ही काफिला निकल के गया, चीख पुकार होने लगी तो वहां से दौड़ के मैं आया तो एकदम से लोगों को मरते हुए मैंने अपनी आंखों के सामने देखा। लोग मर रहे थे, हम लोग उठा रहे थे, किसी को बचा रहे थे, कभी किसी को बचा रहे थे। उसके बाद आधा पौना घंटा एम्बुलेंस आने में लग गई, क्योंकि बॉडी ज्यादा।
फोन किया था, क्या हुआ?
फोन किया था, प्रशासन भी एक्टिव हो गया था उस समय पे, तो फोन किया। उसके बाद एम्बुलेंस यहाँ आ गई तो लोगों को हम लोग ट्रामा सेंटर में ले जाने लगे। सिकंदराबाद में नजदीक का ट्रामा सेंटर है, जो 2015 में निर्माण हुआ। उसके बाद आज तक उसमें कोई डॉक्टर नहीं है, और सीएससी पे एक डॉक्टर मौजूद है। 11 नर्स अभी ट्रामा सेंटर के नाम पे वहां आ गई हैं। जितना ट्रामा सेंटर में स्ट्रेचर होना चाहिए कुछ नहीं था,
व्यवस्थाएं नहीं थी।
नहीं थी।
तो उस वक्त जब ये घटना हो रही थी तब आपको यहाँ पे पुलिस वाले, एम्बुलेंस और जो लोकल प्रशासन होता है, कितने लोग दिखाई दे रहे थे?
बहुत लोग थे यहाँ। प्रशासन भी था, लोकल भी थे, उसमें कोई पहचान नहीं हो रहा थी कि कौन प्रशासन का है, कौन किसका है। लोग बचाव में लगे हुए थे। मैं एक बच्ची को गोद में लेके ट्रामा सेंटर तक गया।
कितने साल की बच्ची रही होगी?
4 या 5 साल की होगी। मैं उसे गोदी में लेके गया, वो बोलती हुई गई। मैं उसे सहलाता हुआ गया, वो बोलती हुई गई, पापा 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 बोलती हुई गई। ट्रामा सेंटर में 5 मिनट तक जीवित रही। अगर ऑक्सीजन वहां होती तो उस बच्ची की जान बच सकती थी। तो मेरा मानना यह है कि अगर ट्रामा सेंटर सुचारू रूप से चालू होता तो कुछ लोगों की जान बच जाती।
कह रहे हैं कि कल जो घटना हुई इसमें 4 से 5 साल की एक छोटी सी बच्ची आपके हाथों में, आप उसे उठा के लेके जाते हैं, आपके हाथों में
दम तोड़ देती है। मेरे हाथ में दम तोड़ देती है। मेरा कलेजा धक कर गया था।
और फिर मुलाकात उसके कैसे परिवार से मिला पाए, नहीं मिला पाए, क्या हुआ?
उसके परिवार के अंदर आइसोलेशन वार्ड में थे, हम लोग वहां भी लगे रहे। डेड बॉडी जब जा रही थी तो एक बच्चे का शव था, उसी बच्चे का जो अज्ञात में था। वो किसी को जानकारी नहीं थी ये किसका बच्चा है। उसकी नानी उसमें अंदर एडमिट थी। जाके पूछा कि तुम्हारा बच्चा कैसे कपड़े पहना है, कि उन्होंने बताया कि ऐसी पहनी है। तो फोटो दिखाया, जब उसका आइडेंटिफाई हुई तो उसके परिवार वालों को फोन किया, उन्हें बताया वो आके यहाँ से लेके गए डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल उसकी बॉडी को।
There are many stories which are coming out from the spot right now. Vijay Pratap is saying that the girl child who had her last breath in his hand was possibly of 4 to 5 years only. And he's also saying that had there been enough medical facilities at the trauma center, possibly she could have been saved. And even now on the spot, as we speak, as we look at this spot, you know, these are the proof of what unfolded yesterday. So what happened will just for our viewers understanding at this particular spot, which was the spot of the so-called satsang of Narayan Sakar Hari, the self-styled godman, also known as Bhole Baba. You know, this entire area is not equipped to hold 80,000 people, let alone 2.5 lakh people. The SDM, local SDM, has in fact prepared a basic report on the basis of which it's being told that when Narayan Sakar Hari was leaving, people were running to get hold of the Charan Raj, basically the soil through which Narayan Hari or Bhole Baba was walking. And in that process, the entire incident of stampede started. What happened was that people started running towards the highway. And when they reached the highway, in order to, you know, find relief, in order to find a rescue passage, they started coming to this particular spot. This is the open field as indicated in the SDM's report as well. And you will see now the entire area has been cordoned off by the UP police, because this is this very spot where people started to run and in order to get escape route, but eventually it ended up being the graveyard for many people who had come here to get the gyan from these self-styled godmen. Now the question is from the authorities as well as to why did they allow gathering of 2.5 lakh people when the permission was given for only 80,000 people to gather here. The question is as to whether there was appropriate facilities even to hold the crowd of 80,000 people. You know, whether there were enough ambulances, whether there was enough protocol for emergency services on the ground. All these questions are looming large on the administration as well. On the other side, the UP government is saying that a probe has been initiated to find out as to what is the cause of this stampede which took life of 121 people. The government is saying it will find out whether this was a mishap or a conspiracy that led to taking of life of 121 people. On the other side, people across the country are questioning, having only one question as to why even 24 hours after that stampede, the self-styled godman Narayan Sakar Hari alias Bhole Baba has not been arrested, as to how he is on run. The even graver question right now is that while his followers were facing this calamity, that calamity was unfolding, people were dying here, that self-styled godmen chose to run away from the spot. With video journalist Mridul, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Hathras.